Alright, well, I wanted to just go ahead and give a quick overview and explanation and demo of my project site. The project that I decided to create was a website where users can post artwork, and different people can sign up and create an account on the site and all share their own artwork, and everybody can view each other's work and also like or comment on different artworks. So just kind of similar to something like Newgrounds or DeviantArt. So I created a site called ArtShare. It's very basic, just basic functionalities of being able to log in or register an account, log in, post an artwork, and like and comment on other artworks. So I'll go ahead and give an example of that. I've got my live server running right now. So over here on the left, this is how I set it up. So I kind of set it up similar to how we did the Sleep Outside website, where I'm using just basic HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Using ESLint for error checking and fixing. Prettier, obviously using JSON, using Vite for build. And yeah, the way that I've set it up is there's the sort of main HTML that just kind of determines how the main page looks and how the header and footer of the site appear. And then the way I've got it set up here in my JavaScript is there's a main JavaScript that just sort of determines the behavior of the main site. And then I've got different JavaScript files for the UI, the user interface, and also for how user profiles work whenever a user registers an account and logs in, how all of that works. Authorization for the user login info. So if you have an account and you try to log in, it'll authorize it to show whether you actually have an account or not. Artwork.js for how the artworks appear on the site. And I think that's everything. So I will go ahead and show you how it works. So I'll do npm run dev. And so this is the site itself here. So it's called ArtShare. And this is, I've already gone ahead and put in some sample artworks just on my own. I registered a few like dummy accounts. So obviously, as you see here, when you are on the front page, the main page, I've set it up to where just the most recent posted artwork from any user will show up first. So like this is the most recent one by this user here, and it just kind of goes chronologically based on who's posted most recently. There's a couple of errors still. I don't know why it says there's 0 artworks and 0 artists. I wasn't able to figure that out, unfortunately. You have gallery view, which kind of takes away the main page stuff, so you just see the artworks themselves. So if you want to register an account, click here and go register. Username, we'll just say like art lover. And we'll just make a fake email. We'll just say artlover@gmail.com. Random password. And we'll register, and it immediately logs us in. Oh, right, well. So yeah, so once you're logged in, it shows you how many artists are using the page and how many artworks have been uploaded. I don't know why it doesn't show that when you're logged out. I didn't have time to figure that out. But yeah, so we've got so we're logged in here. So if you want to post an artwork, you can go here, give it a title, just say my art. We'll say this is my artwork. So when you are posting some art, you can give it a title and a description, and then like decide what category it's gonna go in. And then here you can click and go to files, and you can select any. Don't know why it's taken such a long time. I've been having issues with my file explorer recently, so I don't know what the issue is. Here, let's try a different one. Actually, let's just try this again. You know what? We'll just do one that we are, well, let's see. This worked before I started recording the video, of course. Oh boy. Anyway, but that's how it is supposed to work. Is you'll click here, you'll pick an image file from your file explorer, and then you'll click post artwork. And it'll post to this page here. So when you go to, you can go here. There's a drop down. You can view your profile. So it'll show you when you've joined. You can do a bio, how many likes you've gotten on your artworks, and how many artworks you have. You can click here and see just the liked ones. You can edit your profile here. You can do a profile picture. Yeah, and then if you want to log out, you'll just click log out. And that's kind of how it works. So yeah, it's just, again, very basic. There's plenty of things that I still don't work perfectly, but yeah, that's kind of the main functionality of it. Yeah, this is a lot of fun to work on, and hope you enjoy. Thanks.